Hello friends, in this video I will show how to type text vertically in Microsoft Word. So if you are using any version of Microsoft, you can type vertically. So click on insert and select text box, select simple text box. Now type your text here. You can change size, you can adjust text box. Now move your text box. Keep in direction which you need. Like this. Now click here and select no border. Double click on this text box and you will see shape format. Shape fill, select no fill. Shape outline, select no outline. Now click anywhere. So this is the way you can type vertically in MS Word. Thanks for watching.